Taking a look at our plans, we have 2 front legs on our project. These 2 front legs are irregular in shape, and to make these, we will be making a blank that is larger than the size of the leg, so we can then work that larger piece down into our leg shape. And based on our rough dimension cut list, this larger blank needs to be more than 3 5/16 inches thick by 1 3/4 inches width by 24 inches in length. So I'm going to begin by laying out several pieces that are 1 3/4 inches in width by 24 inches in length. When we get our lumber directly from the lumber yard, it measures 0.95 inches. Our objective is to create a board that has a thickness of more than 3 5/16 inches, which is more than 3.3125 inches. If I stack 4 of my boards measuring 0.95 inches and I add those together, that gives me a thickness of 3.8 inches. This measurement is more than my 3 5/16 inch thickness measurement. However, because I do need to clean the surface of these boards for gluing, I need to make sure that there are no major defects in the lumber and that my lumber looks pretty good to begin with. And with all this being said, 4 pieces measuring 1 3/4 inch wide by 24 inches long will yield me enough lumber for 1 leg. So I need to lay out an additional 4 pieces. And with that laid out, I have enough lumber to yield me 8 pieces that are 1 3/4 inches wide by 24 inches long by 0.95 inches thick.